Never get caught unprepared. Augason Farms Emergency Food Kit. Emergencies can strike anytime, anywhere. Are you ready? With Augason Farms 30-day emergency food kit, you'll have 30 days of hearty, delicious meals designed for survival situations. Packed with 200 servings and over 1,200 calories a day, this kit ensures your safety and sustenance when it matters most. Forget bland survival food. Enjoy meals like cheesy broccoli rice, pancakes, and hearty soups, all easy to prepare by just adding water. Stored in a durable, watertight 5-gallon pail, it's compact, portable, and perfect for your home, office, or evacuation plans. With a shelf life of up to 25 years, this kit has been tried, trusted, and rated 4.6 stars by over 2,000 customers. Designed to provide not just food but peace of mind, it's ideal for emergency planners who refuse to compromise on quality or taste. Preparation is the key to survival. Get the Augason Farms Emergency Food Kit for just $99.74 and be ready for anything. Visit the product page here on Amazon and invest in your safety today. Don't wait, secure your essential emergency food supply now. Skin QR code to order on Amazon.com.